pull up to this man's house with a bag like this. Okay? All you're going to do is scare the man away. Do not do it, honey. It is Courtney, Nicole. And y'all, I'm back here today with a video. Today's video is going to be about the spend a night bag. Not the spend the night bag, the spend a night bag. Some people like to call it their whole bag, but we're not going to talk like that. Okay? We're going to call it the spend a night bag. And everybody has their own preferences of what they want to put in their spend a night bag. But today I'm going to show you what I feel like is really some good essentials of what you need to put in your spend a night bag. I'm going to stop saying that. But I just need y'all to get that through your head. But anyways, hold on. First and foremost, before we even get into this video, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Y'all, we're close to 100 subscribers. The views might not look like it, but y'all, it's close, okay? We is at 93 subscribers. We need to get to 100 kind of fast. Okay? So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get all notifications when I post. Also, follow me on my social media, please and thank you. I'm getting better at posting. Just bear with me. But yes, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, y'all see, first of all, y'all see how big this bag is? First of all, honey, let me tell y'all something. If you just started talking to this dude, y'all been talking for a couple of weeks, maybe a month or so, please do not pull up to this man's house with a bag like this. Okay? All you're going to do is scare the man away. Do not do it, honey. Don't pull up with a big bag. Don't do that. Okay? So, I mean, everything I have in this bag might not fit in your little purse or whatever, but you need to get your little purse. This was always my go-to little purse whenever I would, yes, it's raggedy now. It's my favorite Louis. Y'all, it's raggedy, but it really came in handy. Y'all can fit some of these products in this bag. Do whatever, I don't care. Make it fit, get you the travel size, do what you got to do. But whatever you do not pull up to this man's house with this big old bag when it's your first, especially if it's your first night staying the night. Now, if he gets you, y'all a little hotel room, cool. You can pull up with your luggage because y'all at a hotel. To me, that just seems more logical. But this, the first night, no ma'am. You're going to pull up with your little purse and make sure you get your good side pouch. Side bag a little bit. Because this one, you'd be surprised what I can fit in this. I can fit a lot in here, y'all. You'll be surprised. But anyways, let me go on and get into this video. This video ain't going to be very long because I'm just going to show y'all some products. But, yeah. So, you guys. Okay. First and foremost, I don't even know what order I'm going to go in. So, I'm not even going to go in the order. I'm just going to show y'all everything. But, your wipes, honey, you need your wipes because you never know what's going to happen. Pack you some wipes because, first of all, this is just my opinion. I feel like a tissue doesn't do the job. Nowhere near does it. I feel nasty after I wipe with the tissue. I feel disgusting. So I feel like you don't even have to be Huggies, honey. You better get you the Pampers, something. I really get these. I specifically get these Huggies because all the other Huggies are really rough down there in my area. And then these are very natural and soft. And yeah, they really do get the job done. It's for sensitive, and I have sensitive skin, child. Your wipies. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need you some body spray. You're gonna need you some lotion, and please, whatever you do, please make sure they're the same. Make sure they smell the exact same. They're the same kind. These are my Violet Leaf and Blackberry from Bath and Body Works. I mean, when I do my little spend the night or whatever, I go over there with my perfume on, my good perfume. You need some spray or some lotion because you never know. I take my Bath and Body Works kind, okay? Make sure, like I said, if they're not the same, at least get something that smells similar. They least collide together really good. Whatever you do, please do not get something that's just two really opposite ones and you be walking around just smelling like, I don't know what. Okay. Your body soap. You're going to need some soap. And the reason why I say this is because, like I said, you never know what's going to go on. Say you go to this man's house and he got some Irish Spring, which I hope he ain't got no Irish Spring. But anyways, if that's what it's called, I think that's what that cheap soap is. You might need to use your soap for something and you got sensitive skin like me. Pack you some soap, girls. Also, I'm sorry. Me personally, the Vagina Soap, it's a must. You can go over to somebody's house. You can stay the night. Nothing has to happen. By all means, there's been plenty of times where I've stayed the night at somebody's house and nothing goes down. Okay, we're just really get like really down and dirty. We're all grown. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just speak it really. If you got a fat cat and you sweat, when you tend to sweat, you sweat down there too. That's just life, y'all. Okay. Yes, we sweat. We're females. This, to me, the spray, Summer's Eve spray, whatever kind of vagina spray, it comes in handy. Handy. You go over with him and y'all go out to eat or something like that and it's hot. You want to go and freshen up. There's your soap. And here's your spray for after that. They said it's just not good to use these, but I'm sorry. Sometimes, especially in the summertime, y'all, I don't care what they say. Just don't get it inside of you. Just make sure you do it in your creases. Because really and truly, y'all, this is good. So nobody likes to be sweating. And so with the soap products and everything, you need you some towels. I usually take 2 towels. I feel like that's good enough because like I said, you never know what might happen. You're going to need some towels. These products, like, these are not necessarily for, like, if y'all get really exclusive. Like I said, this is just like some emergency things that you really need because you never know what's going to happen. And another thing is you need your toothbrush and your toothpaste. Please do not put no toothbrush in your bag without a cap. I'm sorry. To me, that is just so nasty. Okay? Why would you put your toothbrush in there when you know this goes in your mouth? And then, like, you can have a brush or something. You can have anything in there that has hair. Like, anything that could fall in there and, like, it touches your bristles. That's nasty. Buy you a cap. They ain't nothing but, like, 99 cents at Walmart. It comes with, like, 4 of them. They come in handy. Get you a cap. And then, yes, your toothpaste. Okay? For the next morning. Or after. I like to brush my teeth every night after I eat. Whatever. So, yes. Then, my chapstick for after I brush my teeth. Okay. And then my comb. I used to carry, it has hair in it. Excuse me, y'all. I used to carry a brush, but the hair that I have right now, I'm really not wearing my curly hair. So, like, to me, like, one of these is really easy for me just to comb through it and put it up and that goes. So, yes. So, you won't be leaving the next morning looking rough. Okay? Get you a comb. And on top of that, get you a little scrunchie. Okay? Pull your hair up. I mean, some people, like, it's okay to do the walk of shame and leave the house in the same clothes that you came in. But, like, honestly, that is okay to do the walk of shame when you got to take your little purse. Okay? Just make sure you keep your little travel size things. If they ain't got no travel soap or they don't have travel vagina soap, honey, Walmart got those little tubes that you can buy and you can pour it in there. Do it. You can roll these towels up. Roll your towels up like this. Trust me, they'll fit. But this ain't going to be the purse that you're going to be carrying. This is going to be just your little, your spend the night bag. Separately. Okay? Anyways, next, some underwear. Like I said, we're all grown here. If y'all get exclusive, me personally, if I get exclusive, I can't just sit there. I have to clean myself. And on top of that, I have to change my underwear. So, and after I change my underwear, we're done. Because it depends on how many pairs of underwear I bring. And speaking of, if y'all get exclusive, if you have to change into your clean yourself and change your underwear, girl, I don't care. Pack your own condoms, okay? Because look, I'm so tired of these dudes talking about, oh, I don't have no condom, or I don't like condoms. Oh, if you don't have one, it's okay, honey. Because look, let me go and pull it out to spin a night bag. We're covered because, honey, no glove, no love. Period. We're not gonna do that because there's too many diseases and all this kind of stuff. Don't nobody got time for that pH balance to be thrown off, to be going to the doctor, having to get shots and pills and just, ugh. We don't have time for that. Carry your condom. Oh, if it can't fit, well, I'm sorry. Look like we ain't getting exclusive. I'm figure something out because, baby, no glove, no love, like I said. And then also, I have a couple more items. So this is when you don't have to do the walk of shame and leave in the same clothes you left in. Here's just a shirt and some pants for the next day. You can leave out in the same shoes that you went in. And on top of that, last thing, a charger. I mean, this is something everybody's going to need is a charger. Let me tell y'all really quick. I might even try to make this video long. Let me tell y'all real quick. Last time, I can't remember when this was. I think it was like a year or two ago. I stayed with somebody. I stayed the night with them, right? And I don't know what I was doing earlier to where my phone was like 30%. And so, I've kids you that I've stayed with this dude multiple times. Yeah, I don't know. I'm crazy. So, I I get there, whatever. He kisses me. Like, we're laying down or whatever, watching a movie. After the movie, like, he starts kissing me. Cool, that's fine. But then he starts, like, I don't know, his saliva. And his saliva was funky, okay? I have an issue, like, I don't like to kiss. I'm not a kissing person unless I'm, like, really with you. Like, don't kiss me. Because, first of all, people breasts be funky, and that was the issue with him. His saliva was funky, y'all. Ugh, it was all right here. Not here. It was all right here. And I have an issue with that. And all I could do, because that night I didn't even have my normal bag too. That's another thing that pissed me off. I didn't have my normal bag. So I'm sitting here smelling all your saliva, and it was funky, like, and it was all right here. So this is why I'm talking about bring your charger. And I'm glad I brought my charger because, baby, I texted my cousin. I told her, look, you have to call me and tell me you got a flat tire and I got to come get you, come help you, come do something because I got to go. Because I had to go home. Not only did I scrub my tongue and my teeth, I scrubbed my lips and right here. I don't play that. And I wash my face. So, yes, if this don't make no sense to y'all, it makes sense to me. A charger, yes, when you need your phone for emergencies like that. So, please, honey, take you a charger. So, yes, y'all, that is it. There's other things that you could really put in your spin or not bag. Not your whole bag, because we don't talk like that, remember? Everybody got their own opinions, but that's Courtney Nicole's opinion. And I feel like Courtney Nicole's opinion would kind of like really help you because it's really helped me in the past. Oh, before I even end this video, I'm so sorry about the last video, my so-called vlog. I somehow uploaded the wrong video, and by the time I even realized it was the wrong video, y'all, I already had a couple views, and I already don't get a lot of views. So I was just like, I'm not going to delete this and post a real one. So, I mean, it is what it is. I'll do a better vlog. Vlogging is not my thing, y'all. I told y'all that. So I'm going to get better at it. Better at it eventually. So bear with your girl. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Okay, so y'all, I love you. Bye.